Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically move around your video using keyframes in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here. There's a keyframe here, so you're just going to select all of it. I usually just select all because it's easier. So for instance, I want to zoom in. I'm just going to go to another frame and I'm going to then scale it. You can also move it because the position will also change. So he's still in the middle of the shot, like that. You can also rotate the, let me just put this down. You can also rotate it a little bit if you'd like to. And then you can bring it back to its original video size and position by double clicking on the scale, the rotation, and the position as well. I think it's a little bit better if we did the rotation first and then the scale. So here, rotate. And then here I'm going to select position. And then here I'm going to double click on scale. And that's how you can do that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel and share this video. Leave a comment down below. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!